Here's a simple vegan meal. Pizza, sweet potato fries, which are healthier, that's why they look yellow, and asparagus, or any vegetable. Peas is good as well, a little bit of vegan butter. But sweet potato fries, a vegetable, and a vegan pizza by Amy's. Such a simple, quick, and affordable dinner. We also make our own pizza sometimes with even a whole wheat crust or just a pre-made crust. Throw some sauce and a bunch of healthy toppings, black olives, mushrooms, onions, and stuff. Won't even notice the meat is missing. And some almond cheese. So here you have it. So many quick and easy ideas. Most American foods can be veganized. Most culture foods are already mostly vegan, from Asian, Italian, Mexican, Indian, and much more. Vegan is the future. Check out vegguide.org for eating out, vegcooking.com for recipes. Thank you.